Okay, now we're on page 289 and looking at the infinitive to show purpose. In order to shows purpose, and it answers the question why or what for. So if I ask, why does Joyce sell cards? The question will be, that will be the question, the answer, Joyce sells cards in order to send money. Or if the question is, why does the organization need money? The answer is, the organization needs money in order to help send kids to camp. And in order to can be shortened, and we can simply use to. So instead I can say, Joyce sells cards to raise money. The organization sends money to, the organization needs money to help send kids to camp. And the purpose phrase can precede or go before the main clause and use a comma. So it looks like this. In order to raise money, comma, Joyce sells cards. I can then shorten it and say, to raise money, Joyce sells cards. The purpose phrase can follow the main phrase, but you don't use a comma. So here, Joyce sells cards in order to raise money, or Joyce sells cards to raise money. There's no comma. Okay, now let's look at exercise 14 on page 289. Carnegie donated his money to, let's say, to build libraries. You can volunteer in order to, shall we say, get job experience, but in order to earn money, you need a paying job. Okay. Let's say to get a job, you need experience, and to get experience, you need a job. Common problem. Number 4, you can volunteer your time in order to, okay, help people. Oops, let's take that out. There are many people who need help. See, in this sentence, here's your verb, and over here, help is a noun. Joyce started making and selling cards in order to raise money for her favorite charity. The organization One Step at a Time needs money in order to send 4 children to camp. Okay, and that is a duplicate. I will take it out. Now let's go on to exercise 15 on page 290. I want to learn English in order to, and you can write in a whole lot of different things. I want to learn English in order to, let's say, get a better job. These are just ideas. You could think of a lot of different things. Okay, or you could say, I want to learn English in order to talk to my doctor. Okay, things like that. I come to this school to probably learn English. I use my dictionary to look up words I don't know. Okay. Let's see. I take a hot bath in order to relax. But people have a lot of different answers for this one. You could say, I watch TV. Oops. Or you could say, okay, let's see. Oh, here. I'm sorry, I skipped something here. I listen to a CD to learn new words. Then when you get to 16, you're going to have this as an exercise to do online, but we're studying this lesson to find out more about infinitives. Or many people use spell check in order to avoid spelling mistakes. And now you can go ahead and work on the forum for this exercise number 16.